Hello to all my natural hair care lovers. My name is V, owner and stylist of Vstylez Inc. I'm a natural hair care stylist and I have been for over 22 years. I received my cosmetology degree through Central Georgia Technical College in Macon, Georgia. As a stylist, I have a lot of clients who either want to go natural or they're already natural and they have a lot of questions. So I put together some videos to show people how to do their hair, what to do to their hair, and what products they can use to maintain the health of their hair. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Vstylez Hairstyles. Have a nice day. Before you start interlocking your client's hair, please make sure you shampoo and clean it very well, and remember to have the implements needed that I posted in the beginning of the video. You first take the latch hook and pull it through the root, the base part of the lock, and you take the new growth plus some of the base and put it inside the latch hook and pull it through. When you do that, you'll have some extra hair left over, but we'll come back to that. So you just keep going through the interlock, pulling it through at different angles until it gets down to the base of the person's scalp. When you get close to the scalp, pull it in the direction, the last pull that you pull it in the direction that you want the lock to lay. Once you're finished doing complete interlock, my client here wanted a hairstyle, and so we decided to do a pinup look, the French roll pinup look. We just took her hair and just rolled it pretty much like a flat twist until we got to the top and gave it a cone shape at the front, and we made sure that we kept as much color out in the tip to give it that pop. And make sure I used hairpins because it made it easier for them to slide into her locks. And this is the finished look, the interlocks, pinned up, and the French roll.